Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra does have these stereo speakers. And to do this we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is right here, that's a main speaker. Another one is here, that's a phone call speaker, and I think on this device that's basically all of it. Yep, there's no more speakers. So to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we need to play some music, cover each of these speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, this one and this one, that's a phone call, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. And as you just heard, there's actually stereo speakers on this device, as the sound was coming from the phone call speaker as well as the main speaker at the bottom. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.